So you just cut a piece of your coat hanger and take the end and wrap it around your screwdriver. Use your pliers. That's all you gotta do. So both of my door handles are broken. They're made of plastic, they're cheap. I'm gonna show you how to get into your car with broken door handles. So first thing you do is move this out of the way. Great. And then inside this little hole, you're gonna fish out the rod with this little tool you make. Right there. That is the rod. Then you take your pliers, grab that rod and push down, and your door will open. Just push down. And that's it. If anyone knows where I can find that sticker to go on the outside of the door handle, just let me know.